I'm gonna be fast. Good, how are you?
Good.
How was the session?
Good.
Yeah, leave it. Hey man, what's up?
Hey,
How you doing?
We went around the world.
Oh yeah, really? How quick?
About 40 minutes.
The guys in history like did it in 90 days or something.
No, we didn't.
Just kidding. Somebody lost the cap. Let's rescue the cap. Is that yours? Stop the cap. Catch it. Up! Woohoo! Nah, that's really a dream to just be able to get the roller skates on, put your stuff into your backpack, and then come to the Jumeirah beach to ride on the kite. That's what I like. Yeah, that's pretty cool.